Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. First up, we see this gorgeous lob haircut. This one features beautiful blunt ends and a middle part down the center. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. And she has decided to also cut her hair into a nice lob haircut. Beautiful blunt lob, nice slight waves was added for some nice texture. So moving on to the next hair transformation, she starts off with long waist-length hair. And it looks like she's going to be getting a mid-length haircut with this particular hair change. This is a great in-between length if you want to go shorter, but you don't want to cut too much of your hair off. Next up, we see someone with shoulder-length hair. Looks like the stylist is going to be adding in some extensions. So the stylist is doing two different color mixes in this particular hairstyle. This is a great way to add in some color without having to actually color and damage your hair. Beautiful, the extensions blended in seamlessly to her hair, and I think that the color looks amazing. Next up, we see someone with some grown out blonde colored hair. She does have dark roots, so of course she's going to be getting a color change. Absolutely beautiful. The stylist really brightened her up. Gorgeous hair color. So then we see another hair color transformation. She also has darker roots. Wow, she ended up going with this beautiful platinum ash blonde shade. So if you guys are currently on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, be sure to check out this video next to see more major hairstyle ideas.